In this video, I'll show you 2 ways that you can save money while getting the correct replacement water filters and UV lamps and lock in the price for the next 2, 5, or even 10 water filtration changes. Hi, I'm Gary the Water Guy, and I simplify water filtration to help you conquer crappy water for your family. With any kind of whole house filter, UV system, or reverse osmosis drinking water system, you'll need to replace those filters at some point. When that time comes, often you're not sure what you need, where to get them, and how much they're going to cost. You may even have someone in your family reminding you that needs to get done, and it needs to get done now. Wouldn't it be great if you could buy those filters and UV lamps in bulk and save money at the same time? Just like buying groceries and household goods at Costco, we've solved all of that for you with our bulk pricing. First, you need to go to our websites, either waterestore.com in the US or waterestore.ca in Canada. We offer free shipping and discount pricing. Then once you get into the website, all you do is just search for what you're looking for. In this case, we're looking for replacement filters and UV lamp for our Hume Safe Water 10 ultraviolet disinfection system. So it comes up here and you can see the regular price comes up, and from there then you can also see if you purchase 2 to 4 of these, you get a 20% discount. Now remember, you're going to be replacing the filters and the UV lamp every year, so why not purchase them at this year's pricing with a 20% discount and lock that pricing in and make sure you've got them on hand, all at 20% off. And then if you want to get even more of a discount, you can purchase quantities of 5 to 9 for 25% or 10 or more at a huge 30% off. No annual price increase for you. And of course, now when you need the filters, you've got it. And keep in mind, those discounts don't just apply to filter and UV lamp bundles. They also apply to individual filters, whether they're sediment filters, carbon filters, or specialty filters like tannin filters. And they also apply to reverse osmosis drinking water system filters. Again, individually, or when they're sold in bundles, or when they're sold in bundles with the membrane. You need to get those filters in the future anyway, so why not get 20 to 30% off today's price? Not exactly sure what filters you need? No problem. Just email us pictures of your filter housing, UV light, or reverse osmosis system, and we'll make recommendations. Email us at info@waterestore.com, whether you're in Canada or US, same email. And check out this video to learn more about the different types of replacement water filters, and I'll see you there.